Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you are feeling good and calm. My name is Sarah, and today I want to share my daily routine with you. I will speak slowly and clearly just for you. So please relax. Take a deep breath. You are safe here. In this video, you will learn easy English for daily life. Simple words. Simple sentences. No pressure. And yes, this is the first episode of our daily English conversation series. I am so happy you are here with me. If you like this video, please tell me in the comments. Your words really help me. And I have a small surprise for you when we reach 1,000 subscribers. Okay, my friend. Are you ready? Let's begin slowly. I usually wake up early in the morning. My alarm rings. I open my eyes. And I turn it off. Sometimes I feel lazy. That is normal. So I smile and say to myself, "Come on, get up." I sit on my bed for 1 minute. I stretch my arms. I move my body gently. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. It feels fresh. It helps me wake up. After that, I take a quick shower. Nothing fancy. Just clean and fresh. Then I go to the kitchen. It's time for breakfast. I like simple food. Maybe bread with jam. Sometimes an omelette. And yes, I love hot tea in the morning. Hot beverage. While I eat, I check my phone a little. Or I listen to soft music. Sometimes I read messages from friends. It feels nice. After breakfast, I go back to my room. I get ready for the day. I choose my clothes. Most days, I wear jeans and a comfortable t-shirt. If it is cold, I add a sweater. Comfort is important. Then I brush my hair. I pack my bag. Phone? Yes. Keys? Yes. Wallet? Yes. Good. I put on my shoes. And I leave the house. I am ready for the day. I walk to the bus stop. It is close to my home. Just a short walk. I see many people there. Some go to work. Some go to school. I usually take the bus to work. The ride is about 20 minutes. Sometimes the bus is full. Sometimes it is quiet. I usually find a seat. I like to sit near the window. I watch the city, the roads, the people. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes a podcast. Other times I just relax. When I reach my office, I walk inside. I smile and say, "Good morning," to the security guard. I take the elevator to the 3rd floor. That's where I work. I start my work in the morning. I work in a small office. The people are kind. That makes a big difference. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. First, I check my emails. Then I look at my plan for the day. My job is busy, but I enjoy it. I write reports. I send emails. I talk to clients. I also have short meetings. We help each other. We work as a team. After a few hours, it's time for lunch. I go to the kitchen or break room. Most days, I bring food from home. I like sandwiches, fruit, or rice with vegetables. Sometimes I buy a small salad outside. I eat with my coworkers. We talk about simple things. Weather, movies, weekend plans. We laugh a little. It feels good. After lunch, I drink water or tea. I feel fresh again. Then I go back to work. In the evening, my work is done. I turn off my computer. I pack my bag. And I say goodbye. I feel tired, but also happy. I did my best today. I leave the office. The city feels quieter now. I wait for the bus. The ride home is about 20 minutes. I look out the window. I think about my day. Or I close my eyes and rest. When I reach home, I take off my shoes. I hang my bag near the door. Then I change into home clothes. Soft pants. A cozy hoodie. Now I feel relaxed. And my friend, If you are still watching, I want to say something. You are doing great. Yes, you. If you can watch till here, you can learn English. Step by step. Slowly. Small practice every day is enough. Please be kind to yourself. I sit on the sofa for some time. Just 10 or 15 minutes. I stretch my legs. I take a deep breath. I enjoy the quiet. Sometimes I watch a short show. Sometimes I read a few pages. Sometimes I do nothing. And that is okay. In the evening, I cook dinner. I keep it simple. Pasta, rice and vegetables, or a light salad. I play soft music while cooking. It makes me feel calm. I eat slowly. No phone. Just food and peace. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. A clean space helps my mind relax. Then I enjoy free time. Movies, music, a call with family, or writing in my journal. My evenings are quiet. And I love that. Later, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth slowly. I wash my face with warm water. It feels nice. Sometimes I use face cream. Just a little care. I change into my pajamas. Soft. Warm. I fold my clothes. I keep my room tidy. A clean room helps me sleep better. I turn off the bright lights. I switch on a small lamp. I close the curtains. If the air is fresh, I open the window a little. My room feels calm and quiet. I love this moment. I read a few pages of a book. Reading slows my mind. Then I think about my day. What was good? What made me smile? No judgment. Just gentle thoughts. Finally, I turn off the lamp. I lie down. I pull the blanket. I take a deep breath. And I feel thankful. Tomorrow is a new day. A new chance. I smile and say, "Good night, Sarah." And I sleep. Crescent moon. My friend, thank you for listening. Please practice a little every day. Listen. Repeat. Enjoy the process. And don't forget to come back. I'll be here with you.